Hello, we are on day 10 of 24 days of keycaps. I've made Gingy last week and everyone's like, oh my god, you gotta do Shrek, and so I did. This is my first time making a multicolored keycap base and I was kinda intimidated at first, but if you never try, you never get better, am I right? Shrek wears this rag material shirt, so I gave it a bit of textures with the textured part of the needle too, and I patted some chalk pastel down to mimic the look of dirt. I know Shrek's thing is being kinda gross and swampy, but I wanted to sculpt a cute Shrek. Definitely had to give him a bit of blush and chunky eyebrows to nail the cute look. Here I am rolling out some clay and using a ball too to shape his ears. It kinda feels like I'm making a mini matcha mug. I made a little knot with 2 strings of clay to tie his vest together. I really like how he turned out.